Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you what is different between metal flange and sweat flange. And if you want to see sweat flange tutorial, just search my previous tutorial, link in description. See, this is what you see sweat flange when flat, and this is a normal sweat flange. Suppress sweat flange feature. Now we try use metal flange. Before active metal flange, let's make a sketch. Go to this face, active line, click from this point to this point, point left the line, active smart dimension, click this edge and this line. My angle degree is 30 degree. Sorry. Make 90 degree and 30 degree. See, 120 degree. Click this edge, click this line, make distance 30 mm. Make this line length is 5 mm. Go to sheet metal feature, active meter flange. See, this is a parameter of meter flange. You can change flange position. You can set the gap what do you want. This is start or end offset parameter. You can use like this. Click all edge for meter flange parameter. Okay. See, this is the gap we make it. See, 0.25 mm, like we have set previously. You cannot find this in sweat flange feature. Go to meter flange parameter again. Make gap distance 1 mm. Change radius to 2 mm. Okay. See, the gap was bigger than before. Change to previous parameter. Now, let's see meter flange when flat. Click flatten. See, meter flange have a gap or have an area need to cut, but sweat flange doesn't have that. That is a quick tips. See ya.